Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
He said, "This front wheel wobbles." He said, "It doesn't if you don't wobble it." It didn't wobble. As a matter of fact, nothing worth calling a wobble. Friend said that it is moving very badly. Author said, "No, no, it's not moving." "Why it is going to move?" He said, "This is dangerous. Have you got a hammer?" I ought to have been firm, but I thought that perhaps he really did know something about the business. I went to the tool shed to see what I could find. When I came, he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He was playing with it, twiddling it around between his fingers. The remnant of the machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. वो ऑथर से कहने लगा, ये बहुत बुरी तरह से हिल रहा है और अपन साइकिल चलाएंगे तो ये हमारे लिए खतरा भी हो सकेगा. This wheel moving very badly, so if you are having the hammer, please bring it. Author went into the tool shed to bring the hammer, and when he returned back, what he saw? His friend front wheel he was kept between his legs, and he was playing with that wheel, moving with his finger and enjoying the movement of the wheel, and other parts of the cycle was lying beside him on the ground. अब ऑथर से वो कहता है कि देखो ये बुरी तरह से हिल रहा है, आपके पास हथौड़ी है. तो ऑथर ने कहा, सोचा कि इसे कुछ ज़्यादा ही जानकारी होगी साइकिल के बारे में, तो उसने कहा ठीक है मैं देखता हूँ, और ऐसे कहकर वो चला गया अपनी हथौड़ी लेने. और जैसे वो वापस आया तो उसने क्या देखा, उसके दोस्त ने उसके फ्रंट व्हील को साइकिल से अलग कर दिया. अलग करने के बाद उसने अपने पैरों के बीच में रख कर उसे वो घुमा रहा था, और जैसे कि वो खेल रहा है उससे, और बाकी का जो साइकिल के पार्ट्स थे उसने अपने साइड में ज़मीन पर रख दिए थे. He said, "It looks to me as if the bearing was wrong." I said, "Don't you trouble about it anymore. You will make yourself tired. Let us put it back and get off." So after that he said, when he saw the author, he said, "Its bearing is also wrong, so let us try to keep it properly." Author said, "No, no, it's correct. You don't do it. We will go now." फिर ऑथर ने कहा कि ऑथर से उसके दोस्त ने कहा, देखो इसकी बियरिंग्स मतलब बॉल बियरिंग भी ख़राब है, इसे भी मुझे ठीक करनी पड़ेगी. तो ऑथर ने कहा, नहीं भैया सारा कुछ ठीक है, अभी अपन चलते हैं. He said, "We may as well as what is the matter with it? Now it out." He talked though and dropped out by accident. As he tried to open it, his screw dropped on the ground, and now the author and both are searching for it. We grovelled round for half an hour and found 16. He said he hoped we had got all, because if not it would be serious difference to the machine. I put them for safety in my hat. It was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. When both were searching for half an hour, they got 16. Actually it was 20, but they got only 16. And he told that now let's keep it in the hat. Again it will be on the ground and we will spend the time on searching on it. The author said, please don't do anything. दोनों ही स्क्रू ढूंढते रहे और 20 स्क्रू थे तो उसमें से उन्हें खाली 16 ही मिले। और उसके दोस्त ने कहा चलो 20 कैप में हम इनको रख देते हैं। He said that while he was about it, he would see to the chain for me and at once began taking off the gear case. I did try to dissuade him from that. I told him what experienced friend of mine once said to be solemnly, if anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper. First he took out the front wheel of the cycle, then he removed the screws. Now thirdly he started looking at the chain of the cycle. So this way the author become very confused, angry कि how I told this my friend to have a bicycle ride, and his friend told him that see your cycle is not in a good condition. I will suggest you that sell this machine and buy a new one. It will be cheaper than this. फिर उसके दोस्त ने कहा देखो इसका फ्रंट व्हील भी खराब है, इसकी ब्रेक्स भी खराब है, और अब उसने चेन को भी खोल के देख रहा था और कह रहा था कि इससे तो अच्छा है आप रिपेयर नहीं करो, न्यू साइकिल ले लो। I had to confess he was right. In less than 5 minutes he had the gear case in the two-piece lying on the path and was growling for screws. He said it was always a mystery to him the way screw disappeared. Then within the 5 minutes, he again opened the another part of the bicycle, and as he was opening it, the screw fell down on the ground, and he was telling to the author that it's a very strange thing that whenever I open the screw disappeared it. फिर वो अपने दोस्त से कहने लगा और साइकिल के दूसरे पुर्जे जो होते हैं वो खोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था, और जैसे ही वो खोल रहा था तो उसके हाथ से स्क्रू नीचे गिर गया, और वो अपने दोस्त से कहने लगा कि देखो कैसी अलग सी बात हो जाती है कि जैसे ही मैं स्क्रू खोलता हूँ तो ये गुम हो जाते हैं। He gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He said screws had the knack of turning up when you least expected them, and now he would see to the chain. He tightened it till it would not move. Next is loosen it until it was twice as loose as it was before. Then he said we had better think about getting the front wheel back into its position. So now as he removing the screws, he started fitting the chain. He fitted the chain so tightly that it was not moving at all. So he started making it loose, and it was so loose then also the size of the chain become twice of that chain, so loose it was. So now he told the author, now let's keep this chain out. First we are going to put the first front wheel of the cycle. उसने साइकिल की चेन को ठीक करने की कोशिश की और वो इतनी टाइट कर दी कि साइकिल का पैडल वो हिल भी नहीं रहा था। फिर उसने सोचा कि चलो टाइट से नहीं हुआ तो मैं इसे ढीला कर देता हूँ। तो जैसे उसने चेन को ढीली की तो इतनी लंबी कर दी कि वो साइकिल की फिर पैडल हिलने नहीं लगा। फिर उसने कहा कि चलो अब हम इसको छोड़ते हैं